Okay.
I thought that I'd be scared of death. But I can't even cry. I am alone.
Okay.
In the end, I am alone.
Is she?
I will end it all. Alone.
Yuri? What we're looking for should be in here. This is an excellent chance for you to take the lead. Here, take this.
It felt kind of like Whiplash.
Casually hands over the camera obscure.
It will let you see the unseen, including the clues that will help you find what we're here for. This is your opportunity, your first case. I'm sure you'll do well. The camera obscura photographs the netherworld, a whole other world separate from our own.
Right. Got it.
That world that we see through the lens is not unlike the other.
To find the...
Make sure not to draw too much interest from the clues you see. Take this.
Thank you.
It's a token. It will help lead you to what we're looking for. Now don't panic, but be sure to stay on your guard. Go on and head inside.
Oh gosh, which button is that on a PlayStation controller? Aha! Okay.
I love how in these games, like, characters will just, like, hand over photos of dead people and no one flinches.
They're like, yeah, that's fine. Oh, so this is how you do the fun thing. To reach this point on the first playthrough, it took us, what, 2 hours?
Yeah.
It's not just a normal photograph. It was taken to mourn the dead. It's why Ren sent us here. But it seems that this photo is from somewhere around here, and he wants us to see what we can find.
Ah!
Yeah, definitely this game needs a controller and not your keyboard.
Yeah, clearly. Oh! How she scared me. There were hands in the water. This button. Okay, cool. Hey dude, you're being a little creepy and ominous, just kind of chilling there, not gonna lie. Hey dude, what's going on? How you doing over there?
What's shaking, bacon?
Yeah, just chilling. The room's a little flooded, you know. Oh, jeez. Jeez Louise, jeez Louise. No? Okay. Figured I'd check.
Yuri, wait. I can sense something.
Hold down, right. Okay.
It's called a trace. A shadow of the past. The token is showing you the way. These traces can...
Well, what if I don't like the way?
Yeah, what if I don't want this?
Let's follow that shadow.
Okay. Oh, no, no, why? No. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I moved really fast through that one. Now, okay, now the inn lies desolate, devoid of visitors. The mountain never recovered from a devastating landslide it suffered many years ago. The shrine road to the summit was cut off, and the flow of the water throughout the mountain was altered, forever changing the landscape. New roads that were under construction had to be abandoned, and Ichiru Manor was buried under a slew of rock, resulting in numerous fatalities. Among those lost were the family of Ichiru Manor's proprietor, effectively putting an end to the business. Mount Hikami's days as a tourist destination were no more. Instead, the mountain gained notoriety as a suicide spot. Perhaps because it was traditionally a destination in which the dying would venture, the mountain's now a place for those wishing to end their own lives. By extension, it has also become a place for thrill seekers interested in the occult. Oh.
Here you go.
Look at me. I'm familiar with the fact that I should be taking those pictures. Yes!
The way the ghosts move is
terrifying. Just gonna... Ooh, no, I didn't think it would open... Ew. Right touch. Right. Okay, pardon me. Ugh, the shadows. The shadows are killing me, man. Right.
Maybe it's in this room.
Really? Door's locked.
It appears we need a key. Try using the camera obscura.
Psychic photographs. You may notice it reacting to objects that are not normally visible.
There you go.
What? Why was it so picky? That was a little frustrating.
Yuri, you go on ahead of me and look for the key to the door. I'll wait for you here.
Gee, thanks.
You're super helpful. If I open this map one more time instead of clicking B. No, come on. No! Yeah. That reload time did me in, man. Ah. I hate that. Oh. Okay, it goes there. Cool. Thank you for the help, map. Ah! That had to have counted. Did that not count? Oh my gosh!
Get it!
Oh no! I hate it here.
It said no.
I'm quitting the game. I'm done. Nabbit.
Open
Okay.
the door and chuck the key. Be like, I'm done. I'm going home.
I couldn't get 2 pictures because of flippin' reload time. Dagnabbit. Okay. Alright. Do better.
Stupid ghosts don't want me to let me take their pictures.
Literally just like sit around for an extra second so I can reload.
It's somewhere in this room. Take a look around. Try searching with the camera upstairs. Hold on. It could be hidden, invisible to the naked eye.
Why can I not? Okay, Phantom Expose. You can bring these items back to this world by photographing the place they were taken from, with the correct angle and position. Okay. With LB, RB. Okay. Left touch. Left button. Okay. We got it. We got it.
This is what we came here for. Huh. We shouldn't stay here any longer than we need to.
Really? Why would you say that? You're right.
Let's head back before it gets dark.
Okay.
I didn't want to be here to begin with.
Yeah, I really don't know how I ended up here from the start. I don't know why I just got a weird vibe though. This whole game is a weird vibe. Did I get him? Yes! Oh.
You did it!
We did it.
Yuri, searching for objects like we did just now might be easy, but searching for people is much more difficult.
Yeah, that feels ominous.
Psychometry allows you to see the psychic imprint as a shadow. Never follow after the shadow of someone who has been spirited away. You might end up seeing something you wish you hadn't.
Where? Fudge. Dagnabbit. Yeah, like, in here? Like, right, what's about to happen in the right now?
It couldn't possibly mean that.
Not foreshadowing for the immediate future. Oh, it's gonna be like, ah! Cool, time to, ooh, no, mm-mm. I'm like leaning away from the computer screen. Ghost, yeah. Thank you. I can't do anything. Oh my gosh.
Ghost fight, ghost fight, ghost fight.
Ghost fight time.
Da-na-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na.
Okay, maybe not. I don't like it here.
He said, I don't want to, and I couldn't hear the end of it.
Somebody. Quick. Somebody quick, help me. Woo! Fatal frame and fatal time. Fatal frame shot is when it flashes red. Okay. 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 Only effective on ghosts within a specific range. Ghosts that are too far away don't take damage. Bigger the target, the more damage the camera will deal. Get closer to ghosts for more powerful shots.
Get right up in his business. Just give him a hug.
Well, I lost all of the... When I got close to him... No! No! There's still... That reload is painful.
Yeah, type 7 is so bad. Once you can upgrade your camera and you get the better film, you'll be good, though.
Oh.
Those death noises.
That was very unpleasant sounding. Where were you? What were you doing this whole time? Just chilling? Okay.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have brought you here.
Wow. You are traumatized.
I really like where we're at with the graphics. Like their clothing, like you can see it sticking to their skin, like because it's wet. Like
they put a lot of time into this. Hey, look, another ritual.
What's that you've got there?
A knife! No! Okay. We've got what is assumed to be a maiden in full white. Probably means purity. Small boy with a knife.
Love when they make small children do things.
Yeah. So from the looks of that, it wasn't a stab.
No, like I don't. What did he do exactly?
So it looked like he just like slashed it down across the back, but then you saw the back and there wasn't like damage.
Oh, that dream again.
Are you the small boy?
Mr. Hojo? Hisoka came by a little while ago.
Oh, Hisoka. What does she want?
She found the photo book.
She did?
Yeah, here, take a look.
His name's Hojo. I don't trust him.
Oh, jeez. I still think he's the boy. Or connected in some way. While learning about shadow reading from Hisoka, Yuri used the ability to retrieve an album from postmortem photographs from a ruined inn on Mount Hikami. The album was requested by a certain Rin Hojo. As Rin awoke from a bad dream, he found himself tormented by uncertainty. Was it really just a dream or a suppressed childhood memory? This question has plagued him for some time. Nice! We got a B on it, guys.
Look at you go!
Look at that.